Nicky gonna start the XR80. Hasn't been started in about 2 months because he went in the bush and slashed his tyre. Anyway, go. Try start it. Take choke off. Is it off?
Yep.
Try putting it back on again.
That's not even working.
Yes, it does. Pass it. That's plenty. You're just to my bike. Want me to give it a go? You just hold the camera. Just keep it more on the bike. Was that with the throttle?
No.
Sort of started. Try with the throttle now.
No, 100% with before it climbs up. Come on. Ugh. Put the choke back on. There. This is so hard.
Yeah, I want another try. I want another try.
That's a workout.
My stand keeps it on quite straight.
This is already nearly a 3-minute video. Maybe try kicking it softer. Not like so hard, but you see? God, you need electric start. I think the choke's on. Yeah, after this, maybe we should try to start my XR.
That'll take an hour.
That'll take never. Oh my god, we might have to take 2 parts of this. We'll probably take another part when we're not sweating like meatloaf.